everybody, wagwan. Welcome to Daily Vitamin D. It's your girl D here. How has everybody been? I've been like on a kind of on an hiatus a bit. Anyway, I just empty up my handbag. Even me shouldn't make gonna see all of the garbage in my bag. How is everybody doing? I have not been on here, but anyway, I am feeling good. I've been on vacation. Not really vacation because I kind of live here, but I'm still in Jamaica. Anyway, guys, this is the outfit of the day, right? My son is in greenhouse, so I have to wear something green. I don't really love it, but it can go on, and so I have to find something green, and I don't like wearing green, even though they say green means money. Maybe if I wear more green, I'd have more money. If my auntie in Florida, hi Zenorfa, if Zenorfa sees me wearing this, she'll probably roll her eyes and be like, what is that she's wearing? It don't look good. It's not coordinated. But anyway, me I go do some remove for wear. Yeah. I'm here to let's say today is the year of the dragon, as well the Chinese say. It's a Chinese New Year today. So I want to do something as well. And also it's sports day. No man, all the lighting is so awful. Anyway, it's sports day at the children's school. So I don't know if I should go. Look at this beauty here. Let me show you something. Look at all this nature. Isn't it so nice and lovely? I just love it, honestly. Anyway, guys, so I've been in Jamaica and I was just thinking today too. I was like, sometimes you can't make everybody know what you're doing. You have to have some privacy, because the message today is not everybody will clap for you, genuinely. And sometimes we share our dreams too early. We just talk too much. We share our visions, and then you know what they do? They discourage you. They project their own fear onto you, because for one, they can't see themselves doing it. But like I always say, my friends, if God gave you the vision, it's because he wanted you to do it, not them. If him didn't want them to do it, he would have given the vision to them. So why are you listening to other people? Don't watch the outfit. And I have a lovely tan, as you can see. It's nice. But anyway, sometimes we chat too much. For real, we chat too much. And we need to learn to keep quiet. We need to let people start seeing the greatness, not the announcement. You just start, do what you need to do. And hold on, somebody call me. So, yeah, wait for the taxi. Call the taxi man, because now I can't decide what to do with my day. I want to go on the road and maybe somewhere in a main pen, I don't know. But hopefully the taxi man don't come and I think, oh God, when me house key, me not have a key. Anyway, oh no, I'm managing the call. Oh, no been managing in the call. Hey, me tell you something. You know what I mean, I think too? Me say I have this friend. Me and the person been friends for how long? How much years now we've been friends, alright? And I realized that as soon as I tell her I want to do something, it's like immediately she has to one-up me. Why? When things are going to mind you, this person is above me in certain regards, right? They have more stuff than I do. So I'm like, why would they be jealous of me? I don't even have anything for them jealous over. Why? Anyway, they just are. I don't know if it's a bad man as our, but they just are. So I realize that every time it's like they want to see you struggling. As long as you can't feed yourself, you can't pay your bills, you can't take care of your children, you have to go and do something else. When it's not a competition, babes, it's not a competition. If we're friends, I'm happy for you all the time. Why can't you just be happy for me too? And then the next thing again, why people have to be so fake? Honestly. It's a middle-year attack and I'm waiting on a taxi and I'm here chatting up a storm. But anyway, so I was like, why be jealous of somebody? And why is it that you only like somebody when they're struggling? When them are better, when they can't make it? or they're having a hard time. It's like you're happy. Why you get joy out of somebody being miserable? I don't get it. But anyway, that's just my 2 cents. So you know what you do? You distance yourself from those people. Distance yourself totally. And I don't know. I'm going on the road and I'm going to see what happens today and hopefully have some more fun. And I'll talk to you guys another time.